Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest trends in health and wellness. Today, I'm diving into the no-carb diet that everyone's talking about. This diet has been making waves recently, and for good reason. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. We'll break down what it is, the potential benefits, and the risks involved. First off, what exactly is a no-carb diet? You might have heard of low-carb diets, but this takes it to another level. Also known as a zero-carb diet, this eating plan eliminates all carbohydrates. Yes, you heard that right, all carbs. And I mean all carbs, no whole grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, yogurt, beans, pasta, bread, or even peas and corn. Sounds crazy, right? It's a drastic shift from what most of us are used to. So what can you eat? This is where it gets interesting. Well, meat, fish, eggs, cheese, butter, oils, water, and plain coffee or tea are your new best friends. These foods become the staples of your diet. Some variations might allow nuts, seeds, non-starchy vegetables, and high-fat fruits like avocado and coconut. Now, let's talk benefits. Why would anyone consider such a restrictive diet? This diet can potentially help lower blood pressure and aid in weight loss, especially at the start. Many people report quick results, which can be very motivating. Why? Because cutting out carbs means you lose water weight initially. This can make you feel lighter and more energetic in the short term. But hold on. These benefits are often seen in more moderate low-carb diets, not necessarily in extreme no-carb ones. It's important to understand the difference. But what about the downsides? Brace yourselves. This diet isn't without its challenges. The no-carb diet can lead to constipation due to a lack of fiber, low energy levels, because we need carbs as a primary energy source, and potential nutrient deficiencies. These are serious concerns. Many vitamins and minerals come from plant-based foods, which you'd be missing out on. Is it sustainable? Can you really live without these essential nutrients? The short answer is probably not. Most people find it incredibly difficult to maintain this diet long term. Health professionals consider this diet extreme and not advisable for the long term. They often recommend more balanced approaches. Plus, there's minimal research backing the safety and effectiveness of eliminating all carbs. The science just isn't there to support such drastic measures. Healthy carbs are essential for a balanced diet. They provide energy, fiber, and essential nutrients. So, what's the alternative? Instead of cutting out all carbs, experts recommend choosing complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These are the carbs that fuel your body in a healthy way. These foods are packed with nutrients and fiber, crucial for your digestive health and overall well-being. They help you feel full and satisfied. To wrap it up, while the no-carb diet might seem appealing for quick weight loss, it's neither a sustainable nor healthy long-term solution. It's important to think about your overall health. Aim for a balanced diet with moderate carb intake for optimal health. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found this information helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and inspiration. Your support means a lot to us. Stay healthy and see you next time. Take care and keep making those healthy choices.